Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay for parts. Let me see if I can find the other one that I had that I bought parts for. I know it's somewhere in the stack of phones I have over here. Let me see. I have way too many phones over here. It is. Okay, so it's the Samsung U960. I think that's right. Yep, U960. This one, as you can tell, has a cracked LCD. Maybe there you go, right there. It's cracked LCD. So I picked this one up untested, so hopefully it's got a good LCD for parts or a good body. I can just take the motherboard out or battery or whatever I need to out of this one. So here this one is. So comparing off the bat, they look pretty much the same condition wise. This one looks to be a little bit better. This one's got a lot more wear on the sides. Let's see, does it have an SD card in it? It does not. If it's got any power. I think it was untested, but I can't remember. Battery is definitely bulged up a little bit. I don't remember if this one has any power either. I think the battery was dead. Yeah. So it looks like I have to charge the battery to test it, but we will do that and see what we get. Like I said, I do need to make some videos of me testing all these other phones out, so I'll have a video of that for sure one of these times. So hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video, and stay tuned for the next one.